Using a new brokerage account might sound simple, but for new traders, it can be one of the most confusing steps. I mentor a lot of traders, and flat out, one of the biggest or most frequent questions I get is, what account, where, how do I do it? So there's dozens of options, probably hundreds really, different fees, different rules, different platforms, different setup procedures. And if you don't know what you're looking for, it's easy to go wrong. So in this video, I am going to simplify it. We're going to make this really easy. As I mentioned many times in this course, my goal is the end, you're making a trade. So I want to cut out anything that'll slow you down. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get started the right way. And one more thing, right below this video, you'll find a link to download our free day trading workbook. Free, use it. It's built to go along with this course. You have a new workbook for each video with checklists, notes, and step-by-step guidance to help you actually follow along and make the right decisions as you set up your account. Don't just watch this video. Use the workbook as you go. So what does a brokerage actually do? Now, we have a lot of trading tools and scanners and algorithms and AI, but the broker is the one that actually holds your money and executes the orders, okay? There's so many tools on top of that we're going to talk about in this course that are really important, but you have to have a brokerage account to actually send those orders to the exchange, to be able to buy and sell stocks. So it's really important. Now, the key things to evaluate are commissions. When I got started trading, commissions were brutal. Like especially you start out trading with a small account, you could do really well and ultimately barely make any money because all your profits, with those small positions just went to pay commissions. There's other things we need to consider, like locates and borrows for short selling stocks, where they route the orders to, platform stability. Okay, these stocks move really fast. If the platform, the broker, is known for going down when you need to buy and sell, not a good thing. Margin, okay, cash accounts and margins. We'll talk about that as well. And ultimately, a lot of the big name commission-free brokers are not ideal for active penny stock trading. There's one that I'm going to talk about, and I'm actually going to show you how to set up an account. That's a great place to get started. Stick around. That broker, probably not going to be your broker forever, but it's the absolute perfect place to get started right now, and it literally takes minutes. Now, I want to talk about different accounts for a while. You'll hear cash accounts versus margin accounts, and tied into that is the pattern day trader rule. Now, for all of you guys, this is a beginner course. I just want you to use a cash account. What a cash account gives you several advantages over a margin account. I think for all new trader, margin accounts are just downside. So a cash account means you deposit cash, you trade with that cash, you're not giving any leverage or margin to increase those position sizes. Now, a lot of people are attracted to margin accounts, but it's really dangerous. People always think about margin being able to amplify their gains, but they don't think about that blade cuts both ways. If you're trading on margin, sure, if you win, your profits go up, but if you lose, your profits go down faster. Okay, it's really scary. I would tell you, wait for a margin account until you've built the base. Now, the other downside to having a margin account is you're bound by the pattern day trader rule. And the pattern day trader rule only allows 3-day trades, round trips, in a rolling 5-day period. So a lot of the time, and I'm sure a lot of you are nodding right now, you didn't know the difference. You opened a margin account, you make 2-3 trades, and now you're locked out from trading anymore until that rolling 5-day period extends. So my recommendation, just get a cash account. Your gains will be small, but your losses will be small. That's important. And you won't be tempted by margin, and you won't be bound by the PDT. Now, the next great question I want you to really think deeply about is, how much money do I put in my account? How much do I deposit? Now, this is going to be a unique to each individual. And this is what a lot of people screw up. I want you to start out with an amount that you're comfortable losing. Now, if you watch this whole course, you're not going to lose your whole account. But what most people do is they put way too much, they allocate way too much capital. They put themselves in a tight spot because they've transferred all of this from their daily living expenses into their brokerage account, and it really puts a lot of pressure where you're like, I need to make money. The whole point of this entire course is starting small, building knowledge, and worrying about the profits later. So I want you to, whatever that amount is, it could be $100. I mean, you can literally execute trades in these low price stocks with $100. You're not going to make big money, probably going to make $5 here, $10 there, $20, but it will let you trade safely. So think deeply, pause this video, fill out the worksheet, okay? It's in there. What's a certain amount of money that you can allocate that won't put you in a bind, that if things go terribly, it's not going to crush your finances? Think about it deeply and deposit that much money. Now, for some of you, it might be $100. For some of you, it might be $1,000, it might be $10,000, it might be $100,000. All of you have unique, financial situations. So the next thing we're going to do is actually open that account. Now, what I'm going to do right now is actually jump over to a screen record on my phone, because I know most of you guys are going to be trading on your phones. It's just the reality, and ultimately, phones are great for trading these stocks. So I'm going to walk you through setting up a Robinhood account. Now, a Robinhood account is really, really easy and really, really fast. I know I've repeated this, the whole goal of this course is to get you from knowing nothing to making your trade as quick as possible. Now, Robinhood, a lot of you guys have heard of what happened a few years ago, and they kind of had a bad reputation about 5-6 years ago, but they've really built that company into something special. They can be trusted, and they can be depended on for maximum uptime and ease of setup. Now, once your account's open and funded, even with just a few $100s to start, you're officially in the game. Now, don't make that trade next. You're just getting set up here. So in the next video, we'll talk about the tools and platforms you'll actually be staring at all day, because your broker is just the plumbing. The real work happens on your charts and scanners above that. So we'll see you in the next video.